Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep
Welcome back, and we are continuing with our web exploitation series. And today we will be covering WebDecode worth of 50 points. So we have to launch instance here. You can get the link in few seconds. Till that we will read. So do you know how to use the web inspector? Start searching here to find the flag. So copy link, paste, turn on developer mode. Looking for one. We can't find anything here, so let's go to index.html. Okay, let's go to about. Try inspecting the page, you might find it there. And okay, so the flag is not revealed here, but this value looks like it might be encoded. So let's go to base 64 into code online and we paste it here, click decode, and yes, we got the flag. And tada, we got 50 points. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.